What's up guys, Mchanga here, back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access my app store and how to install an app that's going to help you quit all of your streaming services. If you want to get access to some content and save some money, then you're in the right place. Now, I'm going to be walking you through these steps on my On 4K Pro, but you can follow along on any of the Android TV boxes, Google TV boxes, as well as Amazon Fire TV devices. All right, so the very first thing you want to do is locate your search icon or search box for your apps. Mine is here. I'm going to go ahead and scroll down and click on my search box. You want to do the same thing. And now we're going to search for Downloader. All right, so once you find Downloader, it should be the very first option in the list. You want to go ahead and click on it. All right, so go ahead and click on Install. Now you're just going to give it a moment to actually get installed. Go ahead and click on Open. Now you want to scroll up and click in the search bar. It's at the very top. All right, you're going to type in this code right here. All right, once you have that typed in, you can go ahead and click on the check mark or load. Just give it a moment. All right, so if this is your very first time using Downloader, you may get this pop-up letting you know it's not allowed to install unknown apps. And you can go ahead and change this in the settings. So click on Settings. You want to locate Downloader and turn it on. If you do have an update available, you can click on Update. All right, so once that's done, once it's updated and the app is installed, you can click on Done. And now you want to click on Delete to get rid of that extra APK. And click on Delete again. All right, so now we're going to head on back to our home screen. And you want to go ahead and locate the app that we just installed. So you want to scroll all the way down, and then you're going to find Unlinked. All right, so you can go ahead and click on Unlinked. Now, if this is your very first time accessing my app store, you're going to see Add a New Library. And that's exactly what you want to click on. All right, so at the blinking cursor, you want to type this in. And once you type it in, you're going to click the check mark or you can click Enter. Okay, you're going to get to this screen and now you want to click on Enter. Okay, it's going to load up all of the apps that's currently in my store. Now, before I show you today's featured app, you want to make sure you have your VPN installed and turned on because this particular app actually shows a bunch of different ads and we really don't want to deal with that. So the VPN I use, which is Private Internet Access, it has a great option to block ads when you're using these third-party apps. Now, if you don't already have your username and password for your VPN, you can go ahead and scan the QR code that I have listed here. You'll also find my VPN link in the video description below, so you can choose which method you want to go to. Once you click on the link or scan the QR code, you're going to go ahead and choose your plan, get signed up, and then you're going to receive an email with your username and password. That's what you're going to want to use to put into your app here. Now, you can actually click on this and you'll be able to download the Private Internet Access app and make sure you click on Install. If you already have the app and there's an update available, click on Update. All right, so now we're going to head on back to our home screen. You want to go back to your apps. And now you want to navigate to PIA VPN. That's Private Internet Access. This is what we're going to use to make sure before we go into any of these third-party apps, we're not only able to protect our identity, our personal information, keep ourselves safe, but this is also going to help you block those pesky ads that some of these third-party apps like to show. All right, so you want to go ahead and click on your VPN. The first thing it's going to do is ask you to log in. Now, this is where you want to locate the email you received with your username and your password. Go ahead and put those in, and then you're going to see a screen similar to this one I have here. Now, even though I'm doing this on my Google TV device, the VPN will work on any of your other devices as well. So if you want to make sure you keep your privacy in check on all of your other devices that are connected to the internet and connected to the Wi-Fi, you do not need a separate username and password for those. You can use the exact same one. Just install the PIA VPN and log in. Okay, so you should be logged in now. So what we're going to do, we're going to locate the settings icon here. When it's selected, it'll light up green. So you want to go ahead and click on it. Okay, so once you get into the settings, you want to locate general settings. Okay, and once you're in general settings, you want to scroll down to privacy. Click on privacy. And you're going to see PIA Mace. This is going to block those ads, any trackers, any potential malware as well. This is exactly why you want to use it not only with these third-party apps, but with any of your online activity. All of your traffic is being viewed, so you don't want to take any chances with that. So all you have to do is click, and that's going to turn it on for you. All right, so now you want to go back, press the back arrow. And before you leave out of the VPN, you want to make sure it's actually connected. So all you have to do is hit that big button in the middle. Once you click on it, it's going to turn green and it's going to let you know it is now connected, and it's going to give you your VPN IP address. Now your information is completely secure before we even access any of this third-party content. All right, so now we can go ahead and go back to our home screen. We're going to head back to Unlinked. And once you're back in the App Store, today's featured app is BTV. You want to go ahead and click on it. Click on Download. And then you want to click on Install App. If it pops up and asks you if you want to install it, click on Install. All right, so now you want to go on back to your home screen, back to where your apps are. And if you scroll over, you're going to see that it is now installed. Now, in order for me to stay in compliance with YouTube guidelines, I cannot show you any of the content that is included in this app. But remember, guys, I'm not going to share anything with you that I haven't already tested and used myself. All right, guys, so now make sure you are subscribed to my channel and make sure you turn on the bell notification, because anytime I post new videos, you don't want to miss them. And I definitely appreciate your support so much. So if you like my content, make sure you leave me a like, share my videos, and also, if you have the time, leave me a comment down below. I love reading comments from you guys. That's going to wrap it up for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.